This channel is what studying abroad dreams are made of. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Hi guys, this is your tour guide Yuganshi. So in my previous video, I was talking to you about how there's so many documents required while applying for studying abroad, and especially for a student loan. So I thought, why not give you a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a student loan? So here are a few key points and step-by-step guide in terms of how to apply for a student loan. Now, step one is to know your basics. So one of the most important point here is to have a university letter. This is also known as the offer letter by the university, and it is like a guarantee from the university side that yes, the student is coming and studying here. The second one is that student loans can be of various types. So they don't actually all cover your expenses. So you need to be very specific that which kind of student loan are you going for. Thirdly, a student loan needs a co-applicant while signing it. So it has to be like a guarantor. Fourthly, student loans are of multiple types and they are given out by banks or NBFCs. An NBFC is also known as a non-banking financial companies. And fifth, most important, that student loans are always given on the basis of a collateral or sometimes of a higher value. See, so step one was pretty easy. Step two is to know the difference between banks and NBFCs. Now, bank's primary function is to be able to borrow from its consumers. So it can be via fixed deposits or saving accounts, and the consumers enjoy it at a higher interest rate. Now, when you're applying for a student loan from a bank, you are often required to, submit in multiple applications and a collateral. There's a specific time period, a definite date that you have to return this back to the bank by this or that period. Now, in case of NBFCs, like the name mentions, it's a non-banking financial company. So NBFCs offer a wide range of student loans. They offer you with a higher interest rates. And in case of NBFCs, they are a little similar to an education loan because they invest and lend in a lot of money for investments. But NBFCs can be more customized to your loan requirements. And now, time for the most important step in the whole student loan application. Step 3, estimate your amount. Now, one of the first steps is to calculate and analyze all of the assets that you have, which can, further be dissolved or liquefied to compensate all of your expenses. The second thing to do is to know your actual student loan value. So this can be done via comparing various interest rates and student loan which companies are giving out, and this is actually known as the annual percentage rate. And the third step, that is relatively the easier one, is that you can always contact a counselor to work out the finer details. In fact, did you know iSchoolConnect gives its first counseling free? So you can always contact them and tell them कि I need to know more details about what estimating your amount is, for example, because Yuganshi didn't explain it right, in case that happens. So now the final step, step 4. So once you know how much money is needed, where is this money coming from, go ahead and apply for a student loan application to the organization that you liked. In fact, once the approval is done, you can also apply this student loan to immigration and visa offices as proof of funds. In fact, if you need more details about what all documents to submit for the visa application or even to the immigration, I'll attach a link in the description and you can always go check out iSchoolConnect's blog. Alright guys, I'm gonna go probably get in touch with my counselor and ask if I explain this properly or not. So until next time, this is your tour guide Yuganshi. Bye.